In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Maps View in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to plot your items on a map so you can see locations at a glance and work more visually with your data. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home area. From here, move into your workspaces so you can get to the board where you're tracking items. Open the board you want to visualize on a map. Any board with items you'd like to plot will work. Before a map can display anything, your board needs a location column. At the top of your board, click the plus icon to add a new column. In the column picker, start typing location in the search field. When you see the location column type, select it. This column is designed to store addresses, cities, or coordinates and powers the pins you'll see on the map. Now, add some location data. Click into a row and select the location cell. Enter an address, a city and country, or latitude and longitude if you have them. Monday.com will try to autocomplete and validate the place, which helps reduce typos and makes your map more accurate. Repeat this for the items you want to display. If you're migrating data, keep formats consistent, like always including a country, to improve geocoding results. With locations in place, you're ready to add the map view. At the top of the board, click the plus sign to add a new view. In the panel that opens, choose Explore More Views. You'll see categories that help you browse different visualization options. If you like, glance through them to get familiar with what's available. To get straight to the point, use the search bar and type map. Select the maps view from the results. When you're ready, click Open in Board. This adds the maps view as a tab on your board and immediately plots any items that have a value in the location column. You can click pins to see which item they represent and use your existing board filters to refine what appears on the map. If a pin isn't where you expect, open that item's location cell and adjust the address. A small tweak like adding a postal code often resolves it. A few quick tips as you start using the map. Make sure teammates who will edit locations have permission to modify columns on the board, and standardize how your team enters addresses to keep everything clean. That's it. Your board now has a functional map view driven by the location column you added.